is Keisha here at TradeWithResolve.com, and this will be a live day trading video. If you're interested in learning basic trading terminology, viewing tutorials, or live day trades, consider subscribing to the channel for more content. I'm currently watching NQ futures here, and I am down $82 at the moment, and so I am going to wait for another potential setup to unfold. NQ has shown quite a bit of selling pressure here, and so I am looking for a short opportunity, expecting NQ to continue lower.
Order filled.
I am now in the trade, and so I am looking for 8.5 points or 34 ticks here on the move to the downside. Let's see what happens with the price action.
Target filled.
I am all out of the trade. My target exit was met. I ended up making 34 ticks, which equated to 8.5 points for a $170 profit. I am now up $83 for the day, so this is not the most exciting trading day, but all in all, I was able to come back from the $82 loss, and so now I'm up $83 for the day. I hope you enjoyed this quick live trade, and if you did, please consider subscribing to the channel and giving the video a like. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.